At Polar Blasting Systems, your satisfaction illuminates our world. Each project is a journey of transformation, where precision meets the unparalleled power of dry ice blasting, leaving our customers not just satisfied, but truly amazed. Why do our customers choose Polar Blasting Systems? Because we offer a cleaning revolution that's not only effective but also safe and eco-friendly. Our non-toxic, non-abrasive, and completely non-flammable dry ice blasting means we deliver spectacular results without harmful chemicals or secondary waste. Our team of skilled professionals is at the heart of our success. Armed with the latest in dry ice blasting technology, we're not just cleaning, we're caring for your property and the planet. It's our commitment to excellence and innovation that sets us apart. Join the countless satisfied customers who have experienced the Polar Blasting difference. From cherished classic cars to critical industrial machinery, we promise not just to meet your expectations but to exceed them. Polar Blasting Systems, where satisfaction meets innovation. Contact us today and be part of a cleaning revolution.